But, one person who's very graciously and generously sharing his story publicly is Matt Bazooki. And he just spoke here at the conference yesterday to tell his story about how he suffered from very severe bipolar disorder, accompanied with psychotic episodes. He was homeless for a while. He had tried 29 different medications. He had seen over 40 different mental health professionals. He had had several psychiatric hospitalizations, numerous residential treatment programs, and he and his family had access to the best of the best care. They were getting the very best that the mental health field had to offer. And at the end of the day, they were being told that Matt has treatment resistant bipolar disorder, that they are just going to need to accept that he is going to live a second class life. He may be disabled for life, that that's just the best that we, the mental health field, can do. And he was trying all sorts of alternative interventions. He cleaned up his diet. He tried paleo and gluten-free. He tried, yoga and meditation. He tried exercise. He got off of alcohol and drugs, and he still had treatment-resistant bipolar disorder. And only when he and his family came to me and we started a ketogenic diet, a medical grade ketogenic diet. So this isn't him going out on the internet searching for keto and trying to lose a little weight. This is a medical grade epilepsy intervention that was supervised by physician, dietitian, and others. But when we implemented that treatment for him, he found a new life. His bipolar disorder has been in remission for 3 years now. He is slowly but surely getting off his psychiatric medications, remaining stable, is able to function, able to work a full-time job now, something that the psychiatrist that had been treating him said might be impossible for him to do. And the reality is he is one of hundreds and hundreds of stories. He is not an anecdote. He is one of hundreds and hundreds of stories of people finding their way to improved mental health and metabolic health.